Once upon a time, in a tranquil village nestled between misty mountains and lush forests, there lived a Zen master named Akira. He was known far and wide for his serene demeanor, gentle wisdom, and unwavering inner peace. The villagers admired him greatly and sought his guidance whenever they faced challenges or sought to find clarity in their lives. One day, a mischievous young boy named Hiro came to the Zen master's humble abode. Hiro had heard about the master's unique ability never to get angry and was determined to test the truth behind the rumors. He had a reputation for being a prankster and wanted to see if he could provoke the Zen master to lose his composure. As Hiro arrived at the Zen master's home, he found Akira tending to his small garden, calmly pulling weeds and tending to the plants. "Ah, there you are, Hiro," the master greeted him warmly. "What brings you here today?" Hiro tried to hide the smirk on his face as he said, "I've heard that you can never get angry, no matter what anyone does." "Is that true?" "You see," Hiro said, "I knew it was just a rumor. Nobody can be that calm all the time." Akira smiled and said, "It's not about suppressing emotions, but rather understanding them and finding inner balance. I, too, have had moments of anger in the past, but I realized that harboring anger only brings suffering to oneself and others." From that day on, Hiro began to visit the Zen master regularly. He learned the ways of mindfulness, compassion, and patience. The pranks turned into playful exchanges, and Hiro's heart transformed from mischief to appreciation for the wisdom the master imparted. As years passed, Hiro grew into a wise and respected man, thanks to the teachings of the Zen master, Akira. And throughout their time together, not once did he witness the master lose his temper or give in to anger. Akira's presence continued to inspire the entire village, reminding them that true strength lies not in overpowering emotions, but in embracing them with peace and understanding.